Okay, it's time to do our dictation today. So follow along as I sound out and write the words, and you can write them with me. Today we're going to work on our magic E words, our words with O magic E and I magic E. Remember, O magic E says O, I magic E says I. Our first word is clove. Clove. Cl-ove. Clove. Cl-ove. Clove. Clove. Number 2 is whole. Whole. H-o-l. Whole. H-o-l. Whole. Because we see that long O here, we know we need a magic E at the end. The next word, we see a blend is going to be at the beginning. The word is froze. Froze. Fr-oze. Froze. Fr-oze. Froze. Number 4 is vote. Vote. V-ote. Vote. V-ote. Vote. Vote. Number 5 is grove. Grove. Gr-ove. Grove. Gr-ove. Grove. The last word is a 2-syllable word. We have some clues here. We see we're going to need a digraph here. We see that magic E is going to be at the end. Our word is bathrobe. Bathrobe. The first syllable is bath. B-ath. Bath. B-ath. Bath. I have the ah here, so I'm going to put my scoop over the ah sound. The second syllable is robe. R-o-be. Robe. R-o-be. Robe. Long O set. Robe. This is the word bathrobe. Let's read through the words we wrote today. Ready? Clove, whole, froze, vote, grove, bathrobe.